Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this DOOGEE. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flare2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!